if you too are facing the problem of trying to fit in and उससे आपको वो happiness नहीं मिल रही, तो I think you should watch this video because I've been there. मैं भी अपनी pretty much entire life I tried to fit in. जितने भी मैंने स्कूल चेंज किए हैं, I never been myself mostly. मुझे कॉन्स्टेंटली यही लगता था कि इफ़ आई चेंज माई सेल्फ देन ओनली देन आई कैन बी फ्रेंड्स विद पीपल, बट वो एक्चुअली ट्रू नहीं था. जितनी बार भी आई ट्राई टू चेंज माई सेल्फ एंड fit in with people, it just made me less happy. And who was I trying to impress? किसको impress करने की कोशिश कर रहा था? The people who I don't even like. आप भी अगर genuinely if you do try to fit in, आप भी क्वेश्चन करो कि are you really trying to fit in with the people you like? अगर fit in वो जो शब्द है कि आप ऐसे नहीं हो but आप इन लोगों में आप ऐसे नहीं हो पर आप इन लोगों के जैसा बनना चाहते हो ताकि आप उन लोगों के साथ बैठ सको. That's the most stupid thing you could ever do, bro. That's really bad, to be honest. And in theory ये सबको पता है, be yourself, never try to fit in. But actually ये बंदा तब realize करता है जब वो actually experience करता है कि think about it. Actually, sometimes all of the solutions to life is just staying still and just thinking about it. बैठकर सोचो कि आपके happiest moments कौन से, जब you pretended to be somebody else and tried to fit in, or the moments where you were truly yourself and you could express whatever you felt like, and you never tried to be cool in front of others, so don't try to fit in, bro, because I don't even know what else to say on this topic, but genuinely it's something that I felt that should be addressed and should be told. If even a single person considers and thinks about his life where he tried to fit in, and you never feel good fitting in. अगर आपके चलो आप pretend करते हो और आपके वो जो दोस्त हैं वो बन भी जाते हैं, और you can sit in a group of people where you're not supposed to sit because they don't like the real you, so would that be good for you? That means that you just hate yourself कि मैं अपना ये वाला वर्जन जो असली वाला वर्जन है उसको छुपा रहा हूँ, and I'm just gonna be some fake version of myself and so that people like me. I think ये बहुत ही cowardly behavior है. इससे अच्छा तो आप अकेले बैठ जाओ भाई, अगर आपके टाइप का बंदा कोई है नहीं. But don't try to fit in. That's really cowardly of you to pretending to be someone else just to you can sit with people. That's the ultimate form of self-hatred, I feel. Believe in yourself, man. You're great. कितने ही बुरे होंगे भाई आपको अपने जैसे लोग मिल जाएंगे when you stop pretending, and you feel a lot happier because when you stop pretending you will find people that genuinely like you, and you will feel a lot better too, क्योंकि they're gonna like the real you, not someone who you're pretending to. And also people realize, even to the people you think that if you pretend you will be considered a part of the group, if you try to be your real self, maybe they would like your real self more, because it's obvious हो जाता है कि कोई बंदा pretend कर रहा है. आप bro, you're not the best actor, trust me bro. आप कितना भी अच्छा pretend कर लो, people notice that you ain't the one. You was good in school, why you hiding your intelligence like punk bitch? Like why you trying to be something you're not? It's obvious bro. पता लग जाता है. Don't do it. Be yourself, and you'll be a lot happier, and you'll find the people who truly matter, the people who truly care for the real you. Main point यही है कि अगर आप pretend करना बंद कर दोगे ना, you'll love yourself. आप अपने आप से satisfied रहोगे कि यार मैं ये हूँ. किसी को अच्छा लगे नहीं लगे तो हाँ लगे नहीं, इतनी क्या टेंशन लेनी है भाई. तो that's the main point. And मैं बस यही सोच रहा था आज सुबह कि just having thoughts, clarity mind की आती है जब आप अपने thoughts को run करने देते हो on. When you let your thought roam around and not distract yourself from things, you genuinely find yourself. In the end, I just want to say one thing. You're a star, okay? You're a star. Stop trying to fit in a circle, bro. You're a star. stop trying to fit in these circles, bro. You won't. Okay? You won't. If I wasn't rapping, bitch, I might just be the president.